Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to sharpen an edge strip, or a beveler some people call it. This one's a bit blunt, as you can see here. It's dragging the leather. Yeah, it's pretty horrible to do it. So what we do, we get our oil stone. Some people put oil on them. This has got so much oil in it I don't need to do it. And then we hold it at an angle, yeah, like that. And then we just run it up and down. You see it actually scraping, yeah, some of my stone up. That means I've got it at the right angle. Okay, so now what happens, that should be enough. In here there'll be a little burr. I've got to get rid of that burr. And the way I do that is, I get some thread. Normally this would be strapped on, so just a normal piece of thread. I put it into the gap, and then I pull it through. So all the way through, and then that should get rid of the burr. And if I do it fast enough, then it gives it a little bit of a polish as well. Then I get my buff stick, which is this, and I run it down the buff stick. This is just leather on this side. This is leather, tallow fat, and iron filings, you know, carbon powder. So if I just give it a little extra sharpening on my carbon side, so I just do it slow, and again you've got it at the angle. Yeah, this is doing nothing. That would just be that would dig it in, as you can see. So just get the angle right, and then buff it down. And because again I get a little bit of burr in there, sometimes I just run it down the edge there like that, just to take the burr off it. I then go into my plain leather side, just to polish it, and the same thing, down it goes. I keep polishing all the way down. And then I've got a bit on here, just knock all the rubbish off it, and back to polishing again. And again, if I can get it into my edge here, just gives it a little polish down the edge. So again, that's it. If after that I get back onto my thread, and I put my thread into the gap there, and then I just pull it through. So I say the thread would normally be attached to the board, and then I would just get it here, and then I just run it down all the way down. I don't know if that's shown up on camera, but yeah, so but for the purpose of the video, I've got thread in my hand, and that's just knocking the burr off it. Now hopefully, if this worked out well, we should have a nice sharp tool. So if I just set it back here, take a bit of the rubbish off there, and then all the way through. Yeah, that's it. All the way through on it. In this case, I'll just do the whole thing. And then that would do it. Thank you.